You will be amazed by this 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Bring your love of driving along on the family road trip. The Malibu is the safe, luxurious midsize car that satisfies your desire for driving pleasure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Your family deserves security and comfort. You deserve to have some fun. Test drive the Malibu.